Partnership. Third, registration of a partnership firm. Partnership फर्म एक ऐसा संबंध होता है जो पार्टनर्सों के बीच होता है, और उस पार्टनरशिप का रजिस्ट्रेशन किस प्रकार होता है वो इस वीडियो के अंदर बताया जाएगा आपको। रजिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ ए पार्टनरशिप फर्म। आफ्टर रजिस्ट्रेशन of the firm, if any change is made in the information already submitted, then it is the duty of the firm to communicate such changes to the registrar of firms with the prescribed fees. In India, registration of a partnership firm is not compulsory. If the partners desire, they may get their firm registered with the registrar of firms of the state under the provisions of Indian Partnership Act 1932. Next heading is appointment of registrar. Indian Partnership Act is applicable in whole of India except Jammu and Kashmir. The central government has authorized the state governments to implement the provisions of this act in their states and to appoint a registrar. Next heading, procedure for registration of partnership firm. The registration process involves the following steps. Number 1, filling in of application form. The process for registration of a partnership firm is very simple. The application for registration should contain the following information. Number 1, name of the firm, name of the place or places where the firm has its business, and the addresses of the principal office. Number 3, date of admission of each partner. Number 4, other details of the partners. Second heading is signature of the partners. While submitted the application to the registrar of firm, it should be duly signed by all the partners. Number 3, name of the firm. While selecting the name of the firm, the care should be taken that the name should not resemble with the name of any exciting firm. Next heading is issue of the certificate of the registration. The registrar of firms inquiries into the facts mentioned the application form, where the registrar is satisfied that the partners have fulfilled the conditions as mentioned in section 58 to the Indian Partnership Act, he registers the firm. Next heading is effects of the registration. The important merits of registration are as follow. Number first, advantages to the firm. A registered partnership firm can file suit against the outsiders. It can also file suit against the partners. Number two, advantages to retirement partners. A partner of registered partnership firm is not supposed to give notice of his retirement to the general public and creditors. Number three, advantages to incoming partner. An incoming partner can get every required information of a registered partnership firm from the registrar's office. Number four, advantages to the outsider. Outsiders can get correct information of a registered partnership firm from the registrar of the firm. Number five, advantages to partners. Partners of a registered firm file suit against each other as well as against the firm to enforcing their rights. Number six, advantages to creditors. Creditors are assured of the genuineness of the firm as the whereabouts of partners and firm are noted and verified by the registrars of the firm. Okay, thank you. If you have not understand this video and any headings, please call me. Thank you.